Authorize Net webhooks provide real-time notifications of events occurring within an account, allowing you to automate tasks and enhance your overall payment processing experience. To get started with webhooks, you need to first set up an endpoint to receive these notifications. Step 1 is to create a listener that can process incoming webhook events. This listener will receive and parse the JSON payload sent by Authorize Net. The JSON payload typically includes an event type and event data, which can be used to determine the type of event and the data associated with it. The list of Authorize Net webhook events includes net payment settlement, refund issued, chargeback issued, chargeback settled, chargeback reversed, subscription created, subscription updated, subscription canceled, payment failed, payment profile created, payment profile updated, payment profile deleted, and customer profile created. Step 2 is to handle each event type accordingly. For example, when a net payment settlement event occurs, you may want to update your inventory levels and send a confirmation email to the customer. When a refund issued event occurs, you may want to send a refund confirmation email to the customer and update your accounting records. Step 3 is to validate the webhook events to ensure they are legitimate and not tampered with. This can be done by verifying the signature included in the webhook header. The signature is generated using a hash-based message authentication code algorithm and a secret key. Best practices for handling Authorize Net webhook events include handling events in a timely manner. To ensure that your system remains in sync with Authorize Net, handling events in a reliable manner to ensure that events are not lost or duplicated, and handling events securely to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. In conclusion, Authorize Net webhooks provide a powerful way to automate tasks and enhance the payment processing experience. By setting up a listener, handling each event type, and validating the events, you can ensure that your system remains in sync with Authorize Net and provide a seamless experience for your customers.